Smoked salmon with spicy cabbage and bulgur is what I'm gonna show you now. It is a super lunch, very healthy, has a lot of proteins from the salmon, nice healthy oils, has fiber and vitamins in the cabbage, and is generally pretty low on fat. Bulgur is a wheat. It's made of bulgur, also called bulgur wheat. I have the bulgur here in a bowl, and the cabbage and the salmon. I have two kinds of mustard and oil, balsamico vinegar, chives, and that's basically it. You can think about cooking the bulgur a little bit like when you cook the rice. So now the bulgur is cooking. Use enough salt, and now I have my cabbage. There you can basically use all sorts of cabbage, doesn't matter. Cabbage is like a super healthy food. I remove the leaf from the stem. I have washed it, I have rinsed the leaves, of course. So now I'm gonna chop it. I like this size here, this is fine. I'm actually gonna cut a little bit more. So I put it in the bowl. Couscous is ready now. I'm gonna put a lid on top and just gonna let it rest there for approximately 10 minutes. The dressing for the cabbage salad, I'll take some olive oil, 1 spoonful of nice vinegar, and I have two kinds of mustard. So the mustard gives the dressing a little bit of bite. I like that. Add some salt. There you go. We stir it. You could add some sugar as well. It's ready. So I just marinate the cabbage really nicely. This will totally change the characteristic of the cabbage. It's good. It's spicy. I feel the mustard. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil. Chives gives that nice onion taste. The bulgur perfectly cooked. It's so easy. You can't ruin it. Put it down. It's cabbage salad, which really is spicy from the mustard. If you want to bring this serving to work as your lunch, arrange it in a lunch box. So that's how it would look in the lunch box. It's actually time for lunch. I'm gonna eat this. The richness and the saltiness of the salmon balances very nicely to this almost sour salad. Hope you enjoyed it. There are some nice videos here on other recipes you might enjoy. There are also some videos about training and how to stay healthy. Hope you want to check them out.